Solar Homestead. I'm on the road right now. Clare, Michigan is right up this way. Cool little sculpture I gotta share with the rest of the world. Just be cautious of the road workers out there. Pretty cool. Nice little tourist section. They got all kinds of stuff. They got 2 sets of bathrooms. They got vending on 2 sides. And all the tourist information indoors. They got a lighthouse out back. So we're at Central Michigan right now. I'm going to pause it. Take you to another spot. Got another sculpture indoors. Here's the tourist section. All the flyers from many different places to go see and visit. I got a skunk in my yard the other day.
That's actually a badger.
It looks like a skunk, you know. Why do you think that's a badger?
Looks like that badger.
What's this guy?
Fox.
That's a badger.
That's the enemy of all the chickens.
And that.
Got the fish.
Fishy.
Pretty cool.
Oh, your favorite.
I gotta slow down. Any place you want to see here in Michigan, we got it all. And if you've been on the road all day and night, got a little spot for your children. Pretty cool. Take a break before you get back on the road. Here's the lighthouse. And I didn't even have a clue. They got a solar array. This is cool. I haven't been here in a lot of years. I didn't know they had this. Blue Star Memorial Highway, a tribute to the armed forces that have defended the United States of America. Pretty awesome. Like us veterans. Who it, Sarge? So, pretty cool little lighthouse. If you want to make your own solar power, it's in the links down below. 1 solar panel at a time. They tell you get enough electricity to where you need to go bigger and bigger and bigger. And I think I got 3 different series. And just start going off grid, or you get your grid tie inverter, let the electricity go back through your outlet, and go from there as my meter goes backwards. So instead of having batteries, because batteries cost money. But I'm going to get some more batteries here pretty soon from Jeff, Southern Ohio, DIY Solar Power. So I don't know when. Soon as he gets his lithium battery started up. So go see Jeff, subscribe to his channel, and see all the cool things he's got. He's got a lot of action going on over there. And he needs more subscribers. Go help him out. And you have a nice sunny day.